If you can, please download or print out the PDF file on the description below so you can work with me. Many assets such as iPads, computers, mobile phones, and cars lose their value after a period of time. This is called depreciation. There are two types of depreciations, but in this video, we only focus on straight lines depreciation method. And the rules is S equal V naught minus DN. S is the salvage value, how much of an item worth at the end of a period. V naught is the purchase price. D is the amount of depreciation each period. And N is the number of periods. It could be months, could be weeks or years. Let's have a look at this example. An iPad purchased for $1,749 depreciates by $300 each year. Calculate the salvage value of the iPad after 5 years. In another word, we need to find out how much it's worth at the end of 5 years. S is equal to V naught minus DN. V naught is the purchase price, that is $1,749. $1,749. Minus D is the amount of depreciation each year, so that is $300. So 300, and you times by N. N is number of years. In this case, is 5 years. $1,749 minus 300 times by 5. $249. $249. That is how much the iPad worth after 5 years. Of course, you can do mathematically because we know that the iPad loses its value $300 every year for 5 years. So we can work out the depreciations. Depreciate is equal to 300 times by 5. That's how much it depreciate or how much is lost its value. So 3 times 5 is 15. So it depreciates $1,500 in 5 years. So therefore, the salvage value, that is how much it's worth. So it's equal to the purchase price, that is $1,749 minus $1,500. So that will give me $249. Please stop the video and try this one yourself. We know S, the salvage value, equal the purchase price, that is V naught, minus D, that is the amount of depreciation every year, times by the number of years, that is N. In this case, V naught is the purchase price, that is $35,000, minus D times N. So D is the amount of the depreciation every year. In this case, is $2,500. And times by N. N is 7 years, so which is times by 7. 35,000 minus 2,500 times 7. $17,500. $17,500. That is how much the car worth after 7 years. Next one. A car depreciates from $42,000 to $22,000 in 8 years. What is the amount of depreciation each year? S is equal to V naught, the purchase price, minus D times N. So the salvage value is $22,000. I just write this down. So 22,000 is equal to V naught, that is the purchase price, which is 42,000, minus D is we're not sure. So we just write it down. D times N. N is 8 years. So I can just move this on this side. So it becomes positive. And this, I move on this side, becomes minus. So 8 times D is 8D. So minus 8D, I move on the other side, becomes positive. So 8D is equal to, I write the $42,000 down first. And then I minus, because 22,000, I move on this side, becomes negative. So 22,000. So 8D is equal to, so 42 minus 22 is 20. So that becomes 20,000. And then I just divide 8 and divide this by 8. So therefore, D is equal to, so 20,000 divided by 8. So 2,500. 2,500. So therefore, every year, the car depreciates $2,500. Or to work it out mathematically, so all you need to do is to work out how much it depreciates altogether. To work out how much it depreciates, I just write out depreciates is equal to, because it starts from 42,000 minus 22,000. That is 20,000. So it depreciates 20,000 over 8 years. So how much per year? So we just go 20,000 just divide by 8. So which equal to $2,500. So therefore, it depreciates $2,500 each year per year. Please stop the video and try this one yourself. How long does it take for a printer to depreciate from $850 to $255 with an annual depreciation of $150? S is equal to V0 minus DN. So we know the salvage value is this much. So we just write this down. That's how much it's worth. And the purchase price is this, which is $850. I just write $850 we do. Minus, and each year it depreciates $150. So I just go 150 times N. So we need to find N. To do this, I can just move this on this side to become positive, and 255 I can just move on this side. So minus 150 N, move on the left hand side, become positive. So 150 N is equal to 850 minus 255. So 150 N is equal to 850 minus 255. 595. Then I divide this by 150 and divide by this by 150. So therefore, N is equal to, so I just go answer divided by 150. 3.97 years. 3.97 years. Okay, correct to 2 decimal places. Or you can just minus 3 out and then you times by 12. So it convert to months. So you can write 3 years and 11.6 months. Or otherwise, just write 3.97 years. Thank you so much for watching.